No, let's look at this question. Don't run away because there's a trick I want to show you here. This might look very simple, but if you are not careful, you can still miss it. Let's see. This is the question, an inequality question, saying we should find x. S wants to be alone. S doesn't want to share location with anybody. So S will be here. Every other thing will be on this other side. How do we do that? The first thing we need to do is to rewrite this. 1, 2x, 1 over 3. No problem. Now, in mathematics, when you are solving a question like this, we don't want to see over. Like 3 carrying 1. In this economy, who is carrying anybody? 3, you shouldn't be carrying anybody. To remove this 3 from carry 1, we must multiply here by 3. It means therefore this and this will cancel. Now, 3 is no longer carrying 1. But there's a problem. Because you did this to this side, you must also do it to the other side. In mathematics, we say multiply both sides by 3. So we have to also come to this side, say everything here multiply by 3. If you expand this now, you're going to have 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by this is minus 6x. What is remaining here now is minus 1. Now, everything is on the floor. Nothing is carrying anything. Good. They see a problem. S want to be alone, but 3 is here. We don't like the way this 3 is around these two guys because these are gummed together. For now, we can't do anything. So these 3 need to come to this side. How do we remove the 3 from here first? You agree with me to remove 3. You have 3 in your pocket, is to subtract 3 from your pocket. If you have 3 here now, take it, that is subtract. So I'm going to come here and I say minus 3. I say this guy minus 3. How do we write that? I will push this 3 to this side. It's still the same thing. Although there is a distance between this 3 and this minus, it's still the same thing. Even if I carry this 3, I push it to this side, say I push it here, it's still the same thing. It's just because I want to introduce something between them, that is why I'm bringing it to this side. I should have done this earlier, but because I want to explain, I didn't do that. So, this 3, you are still here, but I want to say minus another 3. Where is this from? Is the one I want to use to kill this. Because I introduce this minus 3 to this side, I must also introduce it to the other side. In mathematics, we say subtract 3 from both sides. All because we don't like this 3 here. You will agree with me that these 2 will go now. This minus 6 and s we are looking for, they are now alone. Then we put this here. Okay? Therefore, this becomes minus 4. You get the point now? You can see that we are working like investigative officer. We are looking for S. Assume that it's a thief. We are looking, where are you located? We came here and found that it's in between these guys. To come here, we first of all remove this guy from the denominator. To come here, multiply both sides by 3 until we came very close to X. Okay? Now that these are not together, to remove this minus 6 that is with X, because we are only looking for X, we have to say divide by minus 6. Because we divide this side by minus 6, which you know that it will cancel this to make S to remain, we must also divide this other side by minus 6. But there's a problem. The problem is, whenever you are dividing by minus any number in inequality, you must change the direction of this guy. That's why I told you there's a little trick I need to show you. Although it looks simple, many students will still miss it, thinking that this is equal to. This is not equal to. If it is equal to doesn't have direction. If I say divide both sides by minus, I say I want to change the direction. How will you know that the direction has changed? It's still the same way. But when it comes to others like this, like this, like this, like this, whatever, you have to change the direction, because now we know that this is facing this side, this is facing this side. Okay? So therefore, when we come here to do this, you have to change the direction. Therefore, I will allow this to be here so that you see the flow. I will come here to say this over minus 6. This over minus 6. You see? I'm dividing both sides now by minus 6. Then these two will cancel. This and this will cancel. Then here, 2, here, 3. It means therefore S is now alone. This is greater than 2 over 3. This is the final answer. You get the point now? So you must always remember that the way you treat inequality when it comes to division, you shouldn't just leave it like that. I believe you understand. Thank you.